Okay, if you take your first sip of stinging nettle tea and you are not immediately swooning over its flavor, you aren't alone. I have a couple recommendations to help. First is that while many people don't immediately love the flavor of the tea, many come to love it. It does have a strong grassy or green taste, but that taste isn't overly bitter. I think people come to love it because their bodies know all the goodness that they're getting with each sip. I've heard from countless people that they didn't like this tea at first, but they later came to crave it. As mentioned, the additional peppermint can give this tea an improved taste. You can also try other herbs to improve the flavor. Ginger is another favorite you can use. I personally think this tea tastes best when cold, but you could try it warm or cold and see what you prefer. My next suggestion for improving the taste may sound a bit odd, but hear me out. Sometimes people want to add honey or sugar to make the taste better, but sweetness isn't a great flavor combination with nettle for most people. Instead, try adding a small pinch of salt. If you've tried all these things but you still don't like the flavor, you can make the preparation using half as much stinging nettle. Then, as you get used to the flavor, you can increase the amount you use. Or you can dilute the tea with additional water so that it has less flavor.
Do you love herbs? Are you dreaming of becoming an herbalist? Join us at herbswithrosalee.com or click the link in the description to be a part of our vibrant herbal community. Let's keep the love for herbs growing. See you in the next snippet.